I'm here in the Smart Wood Shop and I want to do an upgrade and I need the TSW team input on this one. I would like to hang a pneumatic retractable hose reel. I want it 50 feet and I think the diameter, I want about 3/8. I don't want to go to a full 1/2 inch. They get too big. I could go with 1/4. As you know, I have my big 100-foot 1/2 incher back here that goes through the floor, and that supplies the job site. I have this other hose back here that's kind of on the floor. I've been using it for 5 or 6 years. I want to replace that. I want to run an air hose up here from the compressor back there and have it hook up to one of those retractable reels. So I could pull this out, use it in the trailer, and also right here when I'm working in this area, I can pull it without having to drop down the bigger hose. So do you have any recommendations? If got one, you've seen one, got a friend with one, put a link in the description of this video down below. Mahalo.